What's up, YouTube? What's up, y'all? Hey, what's up? Hey, my name's Rabbi Jose, and we are welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, so it's been a while since I did a video, but today I got you guys. Okay, so we have 6 fonts you need in 2022 part 3. Let's go. But before that, intro. Welcome back, guys. So yeah, let's just get into the video real quick. So today we have 6 fonts here, and I'm going to reveal them to you one after the other so that we know how it's going to be, how we're going to enter and everything. Okay, so font number 1, we have Chaplin. Chaplin is a very cool font. I'm pretty sure you guys, most people know Chaplin already, but then it's cool that I'm adding it to the list because you can still use it or anything. So yeah, so we have Chaplin here, and Chaplin is a font family. It has thin italic, extra lights, italic, lights, medium, whatever to the last, and that's the black italic. Yes, it's a very nice font, and I've used it for like a political design, church flyers. I don't know, it depends on what you want to do. Yeah, okay, so add this to your list. Chaplin, we have Chaplin. So let's move on to the next guy. We have Angelia. Angelia is a very dope font. I'm not going to lie to you guys. If you want to type in like a scribble type of font or like a scribble type of text, this Angelia guy is your guy. I mean, a dope. So yeah, I used this guy for a church flyer once, and it was very nice. And I also use it for a cover art, a very simple cover art. So yeah, you guys should add Angelia to your list. So just go to Google and type in download Angelia font, and you're going to get a lot of you're going to get a lot of search results, and you're just going to select one and you're good to go. Okay, so let's move on to the next person, and we have Autograph. So Autograph, I've been using Autograph for a while now, and I'm going to rate it out of 10. I'm going to rate it 10 out of 10. You understand? On a scale from 1 to 10, I'm going to rate it 10 out of 10 because Autograph it's a very cool font. I mean, I love how it is. You understand? So mostly I use it for names. Let's say I want to type in somebody's name. I don't want it to be that much visible. More like a signature type of thing. I just use Autograph for it. And mostly I use it for my designs, as in personal designs. That's the tutorial thumbnails and all those things. Yes, so you guys should add it to your list. So just search download Autograph font, and you're going to get a lot of search results. Okay, let's move on to the next person, and we have Intro Rust. Yes, this guy he's more like a brother to Nexa Rust. Yes, Intro Rust. Recently I used Intro Rust for a church. No, it wasn't a church, a birthday flyer. Yes, I did a birthday flyer for a brother, a son. Yes, and it was very cool. I mean, it was very nice. I loved how cool the font is, how the details are. Let me just zoom in so you guys see how it is. You understand? Very nice, very cool font. So yeah, you guys should add Intro Rust to your list, and make sure you just type in download Intro Rust font on Google, and you're going to get a lot of selections, search results. Sorry. Okay, let's move on to the next person. We have Adams. So Adams is more like a font for like tech type of things. Let's say you're doing a design that has to do with tech, you're doing a design that has to do with sci-fi or anything. I don't know, it depends. You can even use it for something different, and it's going to give you what you want. You understand? So yeah, let's move on to the next thing. We have let me show you one thing here. Adams can give you F like this, V like this, B like this, N like this. You see, that is one thing that makes the font very extraordinary. So yeah, so you guys should add it to your list. Download Adams font, and you're going to get a lot of search results. So let's move on to the next guy, and we have Aquino. So yeah, Aquino is one of the cool fonts that it trended for a while. It went down, and I don't know if it's back up again, but then you can add it to your list. So download Aquino font, and you're going to get a lot of search results. Yes, I don't know if I used it for a design somewhere. I probably have used it somewhere, but I don't know. But still, you can still add it to your designs, and you're good to go. So yeah, guys, that will be it for the video. Kindly subscribe to the channel, like the video, and I'm going to give you another 6 fonts very soon, because this time around I'm on heat, man. I'm on heat. So yeah, another thing, if you're not following my Instagram, please kindly do so. I just posted a few works, and yeah, I have a work here that you guys requested for a tutorial, and that is a political flyer. So I'm going to do a tutorial on it and show you how I got the details in the background and everything. So yeah, kindly subscribe to the channel, like the video, and I'll make sure to see you in the next one. Bye bye.